Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you a very handy tool to update every single driver on your computer. This is by using a program called Snappy Driver Installer. This is a open source tool that you can install on your computer or have a portable version on a USB drive so you can take it to any computer and update the drivers. The way you want to do it is by plugging in your USB, then going to Microsoft Edge or whatever browser you use, and then go to this website. I'll leave this in the description below. So then click on download. Then what you want to do is scroll down and you'll see the program file. So if there's any background noise, if you can hear that, I can't do anything about that. But then you want to click on the program file, whatever version it is, the latest version. Then you want to go to save as. If you've got different settings, it'll download it straight for you. But I'm just going to shove mine into my downloads folder, and I'm going to name it Snappy. I probably spelt that wrong, actually. Snappy Driver Installer, and then I'm going to click on Save, and that will download it. Okay, there we go, downloaded. Now I can close out of the website and then open up Microsoft. Well, open up the file browser on your computer. Oh, that's my network storage. Didn't mean to go in there. Open up this PC. Then you'll want to right click on your drive, click on format, and then format the drive. But I don't need to do that as this is a brand new drive. Now go to wherever you downloaded the file. Then you'll want to go to open the file. But before you do that, right click it and then click extract wherever that is. Extract all, there we go. And then you can leave it in the default location or choose where to put it. In my case, I'm going to choose to put it onto the USB. Double click on that and then click select folder, extract, and then give it a minute to extract. Okay, there we go. Now it's extracted. You can now open up the application. There's a few .exes here. I'm not sure which one I need. Just open it up. Okay, that just crashed immediately. Now go to my USB. There we go. Now the application is open, so now I'm going to close the one that's behind here and that window as well. Full screen this so you can see it a bit better. There we go. And as you can see, I've got a few things that potentially need updating. Okay, there we go. So we want to accept the last terms. Yes, I'm going to allow this. Then I'm going to download driver packs. So let this download. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, after selecting all of them and then clicking the accept button, it will download everything. It's a massive application, about 49 gigabytes of just pure downloads for drivers. And I've also put my file explorer at the bottom. So now you are able to see as it fills up. So if I reload, you see it's changing size. It was 90 gigabytes free, and now it's 75. So I will leave this running. I will time lapse this entire process. So I'll see you guys in potentially a couple hours, depending on how long it takes to download. Once everything has downloaded, you will see that the download button is no longer there to update the drivers, and you'll have, in my case, these other drivers popped up. Unfortunately, I've got two here that are not recognized and are not in the database. But to update them, you would do select all, but create a restore point. I would recommend, but I don't have that enabled right now. So I'm just going to uncheck that and then install the updates. And you see them now downloading to the computer. I would highly recommend. No, sorry. This entire server that took about 3 hours to download because it's using the BitTorrent protocol, which is a lot slower. This is a free program, so I can't complain about the speeds. Because hosting their own servers for this stuff would cost a lot of money, and it would be impossible to provide this service for free. After all the drivers are installed, you'll have the option to hide them, which I have clicked, so now there's none. And in order to actually finish off the installations, you'll need to close out all your programs and then restart as you normally would. And now that everything's updated, if I go to Windows Explorer and then I go to this PC and then the drive, give it a minute to load, and then go to drivers, you'll see all the drivers it installed within all their folders, everything like that. As well as if I go to Device Manager, it's full screen this, you'll see that there are no missing devices whatsoever, which there weren't before, but now all the drivers that showed up have now been updated if there were newer versions. So this program is incredibly useful. I would absolutely recommend this program to anyone to help with reinstalling Windows after reinstalling Windows, sorry, or just keeping your drivers up to date, which is always recommended. And yes, I do highly advise and would recommend re-enabling the Windows restore points. So if you go to the start menu and search restore, create a restore point on newer builds of Windows 10. I believe Windows 10 version 1803 and above, and Windows 11, System Restore is disabled by default, which it seems to be on mine. So I would absolutely highly recommend re-enabling it by going to I actually can't remember what to how to enable it because I've not done this before. I think it's configure. I guess it is configure. Oh yeah, got it now. Then turning on system restore and restore point. And then change how much disk space you want it to take up, which I'm gonna uh about 3%, which I would recommend if you have a smaller drive so it doesn't take up too much space. Then click on apply and then click on OK and OK again. And now System Restore has been re-enabled on your device. But I hope this video is helpful. All the links are in the description, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys next time.